Hello friends, welcome to Tebos World Recipes. Today, we're making one of Hawaii's most beloved snacks. We're going to make a Spam Musubi. This iconic Hawaiian favorite combines seasoned rice, grilled spam, and nori seaweed into a simple but incredibly delicious handheld snack. Influenced by the Japanese cuisine and adapted using canned spam during World War II, Spam Musubi has become a staple throughout Hawaii. The story begins during World War II when canned spam became widely available in Hawaii due to its long shelf life and affordability. Hawaii's large Japanese community adapted spam into a familiar rice-based foods inspired by the Japanese onigiri. Over time, locals began placing a slice of grilled spam on top of a block of rice and wrapping it with the nori seaweed, creating what we know as the Spam Musubi. What started as a practical and affordable meal evolved into one of Hawaii's most recognizable foods. Today, Spam Musubi can be found almost everywhere across the islands. It is sold in convenience stores, supermarkets, local restaurants, food trucks, school cafeterias, and even gas stations. For many residents, it's a quick breakfast, a lunch favorite, or a beach snack. It's comfort food that brings back memories of family gatherings. Today, we're going to show you how to make an authentic Spam Musubi, and I think you're going to love it. So now, let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 2 cups of sushi rice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 can of spam, whichever one you like, 3 teaspoons of furikake for seasoning, 3 nori sheets, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. We're going to start by washing our sushi rice. We're going to rinse it in water, we're going to go through it, and we're going to clean it 3 or 4 times until the water is clear. Once the water doesn't look cloudy, then we're ready. Then we're going to transfer our rice into our rice cooker. You can also do it in a pot. We're going to fill it with water per the instructions, or you can also use the finger trick. Now we're going to start our rice. While our rice is cooking, we're going to prepare our spam. We're going to open our can of spam, push on the can to get it out, and now it's time to cut it. We're going to cut it into 8 slices. You can make more, just adjust the recipe accordingly. I'm going to cut it in half, then half again, and then each piece in halves. This is what we're looking for. Now in a pan, without any oil, we're going to start cooking our spam. Just like a pan fry, it has enough fat that is going to help the cooking. Each slice we're going to cook 3 to 4 minutes per side until it starts turning golden brown. This is what we're looking for. And once they look like this on both sides, we're going to take them off and finish cooking the rest of our slices. Using the same pan with the fat, we're going to add our sugar, our soy sauce, and our vinegar. We're going to make a quick glaze. And now we're going to return our Spam slices into the pan. Only for a minute or two. All we're looking for is to cover all our slices. Make sure you get a lot of glaze. Now our rice is ready. We're going to fluff it a little bit. And this is optional, but you can get your nori sheets and just pass them over the stove. This is just going to help release a little bit of the oils. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. Now we're going to cut our nori sheets in threes. Now it's time to prepare our musubis. I have this musubi mold that you can find on Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link in the description. Makes it so easy. Or you can also use the can of Spam. Just put some plastic film to help you pull everything out. We're going to compress the rice. We're going to add a little bit of the furikake on top of the rice to season it. And then we're going to pick one of our Spam slices. We're going to make sure everything is together. We assemble this on top of one of the pieces of the nori sheet. And wetting one of your fingers, get part of the nori wet so you can wrap it around and it sticks. And our first Spam musubi is ready. Very simple. Our Spam musubi is ready and it looks fantastic. But before we try it, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any new videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe you would like to try. And don't forget, at the end of this video, give us a like. Also, don't forget to visit our store in Amazon where you can find pots, pans, specialty ingredients, etc. Or our Tebos World Recipe store through our YouTube channel where you can find t-shirts, coffee mugs, etc. We're working on our new store where you can find the Luffy gear. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's try our musubi. Look at that. Wow. Even with the Spam, it's almost like a very light, salty, and soft snack. This would be perfect for you to pack your kids at lunch, or just to have it as snacks during this summer. Hope you give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.